aluminum battery incorporated in the Model 2 significantly enhances both safety and durability, effectively mitigating the risks of thermal runaway and fire hazards that are commonly associated with traditional lithium batteries.
This advancement signifies a pivotal leap in electric vehicle safety.
In extreme heat conditions, the aluminum battery demonstrates superior performance compared to its lithium counterparts, resulting in minimal range loss while obviating the necessity for cumbersome cooling systems. This efficiency facilitates extended journeys without the frequent need for recharging. Furthermore, the Model 2's battery showcases remarkable performance in cold environments, employing a flexible gel structure designed to prevent freezing, thereby enhancing its operational reliability. This characteristic ensures consistent functionality in regions that endure severe winter temperatures. In contrast, the liquid electrolyte present in lithium batteries tends to solidify under cold conditions, which significantly hampers the movement of lithium ions and consequently reduces overall battery capacity. This factor is paramount when considering winter driving exigencies. The hatchback design of the Model 2 is meticulously tailored to meet the demands of American lifestyles, facilitating ease of navigation and parking in densely populated urban settings. Its compact dimensions provide convenience without compromising interior space. Moreover, the Model 2 features a vertical hatch that offers substantial cargo space, accommodating larger items for weekend excursions. This design element additionally permits versatile configurations, thereby enhancing the vehicle's usability for a wide range of activities. The lightweight construction of the Model 2, coupled with a strategically low battery placement, contributes to enhanced stability. This configuration facilitates swift steering responses and minimizes body roll, ultimately improving passenger comfort during drives. Tesla's extensive supercharger network provides Model 2 owners with convenient charging solutions, featuring automated payment systems and dependable coverage that supports both daily commuting and longer journeys. In addition, Tesla Mobile Service enhances convenience by managing over 40% of minor repairs at the owner's residence. This service allows vehicle owners to monitor their vehicle's health and schedule appointments effortlessly through the Tesla app. The manufacturing process employed for the Model 2 is characterized by a reduced number of moving parts and a streamlined design, which collectively diminish the likelihood of mechanical failures and the necessity for frequent repairs. This not only contributes to the vehicle's overall reliability but also enhances user satisfaction. Additionally, Tesla's mobile service and remote diagnostics augment convenience for Model 2 owners, enabling them to oversee their vehicle's health and maintenance from the comfort of their homes, thereby minimizing unexpected visits to service centers. Finally, Model 2 owners can expect to realize annual savings ranging from $800 to $1,000 on maintenance costs, leading to substantial financial savings over time when contrasted with traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. This financial benefit allows for more effective budget management. Next manufacturing method facilitates the concurrent assembly of vehicle components, significantly diminishing the labor hours required for production. This heightened efficiency culminates in substantial cost savings. Tesla's innovative strategy necessitates a smaller factory footprint and fewer personnel, which leads to a marked reduction in capital expenditures when compared to conventional automotive manufacturing facilities. Such a transformative approach possesses the potential to revolutionize the economic structure of manufacturing. Furthermore, the flexibility inherent in Tesla's manufacturing process permits the establishment of localized production hubs. These hubs facilitate a decrease in logistics costs while simultaneously enhancing market responsiveness, thereby optimizing overall operational efficiency. By eliminating the expenses associated with cross-country shipping, Tesla significantly curtails vehicle delivery costs, rendering their automobiles more accessible to consumers in Texas. This aspect is particularly vital for budget-conscious buyers. The unboxed manufacturing process has the potential to dramatically lower labor, facility, and logistics expenditures, thereby enabling Tesla to achieve sustainable gross margins on mass-market vehicles. This level of innovation is unprecedented within the electric vehicle sector. Moreover, the modular design of the vehicle enhances its repairability, greatly simplifying the replacement of components and contributing to a reduction in insurance costs. Such features directly influence the total cost of ownership, particularly for price-sensitive consumers. The Model 2 has been thoughtfully designed to generate skilled employment opportunities, necessitating the operation of advanced robotic systems. This transformation shifts the workforce's role from manual tasks to technical proficiency, which is essential for the evolving job market. By sourcing over 65% of its components domestically, with an ambition to reach 80% by 2026, Tesla is actively decreasing its reliance on foreign imports while bolstering economic resilience. This strategic focus strengthens local supply chains and mitigates exposure to external vulnerabilities. The pricing of the Model 2 at $11,555 is set to enhance the accessibility of electric vehicles for working-class Americans, advancing inclusivity within technological advancements. This initiative closely aligns with Elon Musk's vision of ensuring that progress benefits all socioeconomic classes. The Model 2 incorporates a self-healing polymer skin, which markedly reduces maintenance costs over the vehicle's lifespan, thus presenting a fiscally prudent choice for consumers. This innovative feature directly addresses the rising expenses associated with vehicle ownership. In addition, Elon Musk's strategy encompasses the integration of Tesla vehicles with household energy systems, facilitating optimized charging and energy conservation. In addition, the Model 2's dual-motor architecture facilitates impressive acceleration and overall performance, all at a competitive price. This configuration reflects Tesla's unwavering commitment to innovation within the domain of electric vehicle engineering, marking a significant departure from conventional automotive design. The dual-motor system also enables regenerative braking, recovering 30% more energy compared to single-motor systems. This capability results in tangible annual savings on electricity costs, particularly benefiting senior drivers. Moreover, Tesla's dual-motor configuration enhances traction and handling by performing 2,000 calculations per second, thus ensuring optimal grip across a variety of driving conditions. This technological advancement significantly enhances the overall safety of the vehicle. Notably, the Tesla Model 2 achieves remarkable acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.9 seconds, thus positioning itself in direct competition with high-end supercars while remaining accessible only 847 components, which markedly diminishes both complexity and costs when juxtaposed with traditional luxury automobiles that typically consist of over 3,000 components. This innovative approach facilitates substantial financial savings. Moreover, the Model 2 employs an origami technique that significantly reduces material consumption by 67%. This advancement allows the vehicle to achieve aesthetic qualities akin to Lamborghini designs while remaining cost-effective, representing a noteworthy evolution in automotive design. In terms of performance, the Model 2 boasts an exceptional drag coefficient of 0.19, surpassing numerous supercars. This aerodynamic efficiency not only enhances the vehicle's range but also yields financial advantages for owners, underlining the economic viability of this design. Furthermore, Tesla has developed a composite material that is 127% stronger than steel and 45% lighter than aluminum. This remarkable strength-to-weight ratio exemplifies the material's capabilities, subsequently resulting in significant reductions in production costs. The manufacturing process employed by Tesla is characterized by remarkable efficiency, with assembly times for complete vehicle bodies reduced from 847 minutes to a mere 12 minutes. This substantial improvement not only lowers costs but also significantly elevates production capacity to consumers. Furthermore, the dual-motor setup maximizes efficiency and provides an impressive range of 434 miles on a single charge, addressing the needs of practical driving while ensuring convenience for users. This advanced system also offers all-wheel drive, which enhances driver confidence by facilitating ease of handling in diverse road conditions, all while delivering thrilling acceleration. Finally, the durability of the dual-motor setup emerges as a key advantage, as the shared workload between motors mitigates wear and tear. This design consideration has the potential to yield significant savings on maintenance costs for vehicle owners over time. The Model 2 is scheduled for early 2026, emphasizing a focus on cost-effective manufacturing techniques. This strategic approach has the potential to significantly transform the market dynamics for affordable electric vehicles. Tesla intends to implement financial engineering strategies designed to facilitate lower monthly payments for consumers. This plan incorporates commercial lease tax credits, which can provide financial benefits to consumers even in the absence of federal subsidies. Furthermore, state incentives continue to be available despite the reduction in federal support. For instance, programs in states such as California offer substantial benefits based on consumers' income levels. Incentives can vary significantly from one state to another, with some states providing rebates and tax exemptions. Notably, New Jersey offers a complete sales tax exemption, while Massachusetts has increased its rebate from $2,500 to $3,500. In addition, the higher projected residual values for electric vehicles contribute to lower lease payments. It is anticipated that Tesla's Model 2 will have resale values approximately 18 to 20% higher than those of traditional gasoline vehicles. The timeline for the Tesla Model 2 suggests that production will commence in early 2026, with initial deliveries prioritizing reservation holders in California and Texas. While Tesla has demonstrated significant improvements in production capabilities, it is essential to acknowledge that global supply chain unpredictability could impact their ability to achieve production targets and maintain quality standards, which is critical for their market reputation. Moreover, the Model 2 is equipped with Tesla's latest battery technology, which promises enhanced performance and longevity compared to prior models. This advancement is a crucial factor in attracting consumers who may be hesitant to embrace the electric vehicle market. The anticipated cost savings from operating the Model 2 could total nearly $1,800 annually, compared to conventional vehicles. This financial advantage may serve as a compelling incentive for a larger number of consumers to transition to electric mobility. Aftermarket upgrade kits for this innovative technology are projected to range from $3,000 to $4,000, thereby making future enhancements more accessible to consumers. This trend reflects the rapidly evolving nature of electric vehicle technology. Additionally, Tesla's modular battery architecture signifies a strategic design that facilitates future upgrades, allowing users to enhance their vehicle's capabilities without necessitating the purchase of a new model. This approach underscores the importance of sustainability. The Model 2 is anticipated to be affordably priced and available by late 2026, positioning itself as a competitive option within the electric vehicle market. Therefore, consumers are encouraged to place reservations for early access. Giga Texas facility approaches the commencement of production for the Model 2, anticipated to begin as early as the first quarter of 2026. This development represents a pivotal advancement in the sector of affordable electric vehicles. The Model 2 is projected to have a total ownership cost of approximately $12,749, achieved through cutting-edge manufacturing techniques and innovative financing strategies. This breakthrough has the potential to transform the landscape of affordability within the electric vehicle market. To sustain affordability in light of the elimination of federal tax credits, Tesla is implementing 3 financial engineering strategies. These methodologies are not only pivotal for Tesla but are also being successfully adopted by other electric vehicle manufacturers. Concurrently, states such as Massachusetts and New Jersey are enhancing their incentives, with New Jersey offering a complete sales tax exemption. Such measures can result in considerable savings for consumers looking to purchase electric vehicles. Moreover, the anticipated increase in residual values for electric vehicles is likely to contribute to a significant reduction in monthly lease payments. Financial analysts project these residual values to be 18 to 20% higher than those of traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. The timeline for the Tesla Model 2 indicates notable milestones throughout 2026, with production expected to escalate and deliveries scheduled around mid-year. It is likely that early reservations will be given priority. However, global supply chains remain volatile, which could impact Tesla's production capabilities and the timing of deliveries. This unpredictability has the potential to significantly affect Tesla's market share. In terms of technology, the Model 2 will incorporate advanced battery systems, promising substantial enhancements regarding range and charging efficiency, thereby addressing prevalent consumer apprehensions about electric vehicle batteries. With anticipated savings ranging from $1,800 to $1,860 per year compared to conventional vehicles, the Model 2 aims to attract budget-conscious consumers who are seeking substantial long-term financial benefits. Furthermore, Tesla's modular battery architecture is engineered to accommodate future upgrades, enabling users to extend their vehicle's range without the necessity of acquiring a new model. This strategy promotes sustainability while enhancing customer satisfaction. Finally, modern electric vehicle batteries are designed for durability, having undergone more stringent testing protocols than traditional lithium-ion batteries. This ensures reliability even under demanding automotive conditions. Ultimately, the affordability of the Model 2, with monthly payment estimates ranging from $149 to $229, renders it accessible to a broader audience, thereby poised to potentially revolutionize the electric vehicle market. To enhance both energy efficiency and driving comfort. By prioritizing heating and cooling systems based on real-time data analysis, this innovation ensures a seamless driving experience. In addition, the accompanying application enables users to precondition the vehicle prior to driving, thereby ensuring a consistently comfortable interior temperature while simultaneously conserving battery life. This function significantly enhances user convenience without compromising overall range. Furthermore, the application provides real-time updates regarding critical metrics such as interior temperature, battery status, and tire pressure. Such information empowers drivers to prepare their vehicle efficiently for travel, effectively minimizing delays. Moreover, the trip planner function analyzes a spectrum of data, including weather patterns and traffic conditions, to optimize routes for energy efficiency. This capability ensures that drivers experience optimal vehicle performance, regardless of external factors. In relation to battery management, The real-time analytics are essential, as the planner intelligently suggests charging stops based on the vehicle's remaining battery capacity and the requirements of the planned route. This strategy ultimately optimizes travel without incurring unnecessary diversions. The Tesla Model 2 further supports drivers through user-friendly functionalities, which facilitate quick access to essential information while maintaining focus on the road. This design significantly enhances the overall driving experience. Additionally, the assistant not only updates navigation routes but also recommends the most efficient options, including necessary charging stops, thereby augmenting travel efficiency. This real-time adaptability is particularly vital for extended journeys. Tesla's Exit Care feature provides valuable peace of mind by monitoring the vehicle's status post-parking, alerting users to any unsecured doors or windows. This proactive measure ensures drivers do not inadvertently leave valuables behind. The vehicle's remote monitoring capability augments security by alerting owners to disturbances surrounding the parked vehicle through integrated cameras and sensors that capture incidents. This proactive approach fosters continuous vigilance. Moreover, the inclusion of geographical speed limits and alerts serves to enhance supervision for novice drivers, ensuring safety across diverse environments. This feature assists parents in closely monitoring their children's driving habits. Furthermore, a shared vehicle calendar facilitates the management of usage times among family members, effectively mitigating scheduling conflicts. The application also suggests alternatives when multiple users attempt to reserve the same time slot. Lastly, the guest mode feature enables restricted access for relatives or friends, thereby ensuring essential safety and privacy. This mode allows for temporary vehicle usage with limited capabilities, thus maintaining control for the primary owner. 2 incorporates modular bumpers, a feature that allows for simplified repairs and notably reduces repair costs. This innovative design can result in savings of up to 30% for vehicle owners. Furthermore, interior durability stands as a significant priority for the Model 2, utilizing materials that are engineered for heavy usage and ease of cleaning. The construction of the seats and flooring showcases a high resistance to both wear and adverse weather conditions. In terms of power efficiency, the Model 2 employs lithium batteries, which offer superior efficiency, an extended lifespan, and a reduced weight compared to conventional lead-acid batteries. This enhancement is particularly beneficial during prolonged periods of inactivity. Additionally, the Model 2 features a smart calendar that provides timely alerts for routine maintenance, tailored according to driving conditions. This functionality not only bolsters vehicle reliability but also elevates its overall performance, aiding in the early detection of wear. Moreover, the plug and charge technology simplifies the charging process by utilizing a single plug for both AC and DC power sources. This design enhances user-friendliness for drivers and accommodates rapid charging capabilities at supercharger stations. The Model 2 further enhances user experience by providing real-time availability of charging stations alongside intelligent navigation suggestions. This optimization of charging schedules significantly reduces wait times, thereby improving overall convenience. In terms of safety and navigation, the Model 2 is equipped with a comprehensive 360-degree camera suite that generates a detailed 3D occupancy grid. This advanced technology augments the vehicle's spatial awareness, facilitating effective navigation across diverse environments. To enhance safety, a sophisticated array of sensors, including infrared cameras and radar systems, bolsters the detection of pedestrians and vehicles. This integration contributes to timely collision warnings and the implementation of automated braking functionality. The user interface of the Model 2 emphasizes clarity and accessibility, featuring large buttons and easily readable symbols. This thoughtful design minimizes search time and enhances user control, even in situations where gloves are worn. Additionally, the Model 2 is equipped with AC outlets capable of supplying power for tools and small appliances, delivering between 1.5 to 3.6 kilowatts depending on voltage specifications. This versatility significantly enhances the vehicle's utility for a range of applications. With its robust 60 kilowatt-hour battery, the Model 2 proves to be a reliable power source, capable of sustaining essential devices, such as refrigerators and lighting, for durations of up to 60 hours during power outages. Lastly, the vehicle comes equipped with a mobile application that facilitates the monitoring of energy consumption and the management of power settings. This application empowers users to track their usage patterns and establish limits, thereby optimizing energy management.